Hello, my name is Nick and I would like to present you my master thesis combining remote sensing and crowdsourcing in support of the EU regulation on deforestation-free products. The world has lost approximately 420 million hectares of forest in the last 35 years, mostly human impacted by agricultural expansion or illegal logging. So European Union is one of the biggest importers of products that are linked to deforestation. So a new European Union deforestation-free regulation was proposed for the reduction of the impact of agriculture on deforestation, which means that companies and operators should in future ensure that the products that are put on the market are not linked to deforestation after 31st of December 2020. Current methods of monitoring of deforestation to track deforestation are inadequate and incomplete. Remote sensing methods in combination with crowdsourcing could be possible solutions. So this is my first research question, is if the crowdsourcing app EpiCollect 5 is suitable to support remote sensing analysis. And the second research question of my thesis is which of the two remote sensing methods, the bitemporal change detection and time series change detection using Sentinel-2 data, is more suitable for the deforestation detection. The crowdsourcing workflow, two test sites were used in master thesis. The first test site is located in Graz in Austria, which is method development area, where crowdsourcing methods were developed, such as crowdsourcing form development, positioning accuracy determination, and crowdsourcing form evaluation. In the field work in the application area in Ivory Coast, remote sensing results were validated and additional locations were acquired. In the application area in Ivory Coast, data was used such as Sentinel-2 data in the remote sensing workflow, digital elevation model, validation dataset, and ESA World Cover 2021. This data was pre-prepared, and in the next step, the pre-prepared dataset was used for the bitemporal change detection and time series change detection. The bitemporal change detection uses images, satellite images from 2 points of time, and the time series change detection uses satellite images in the time series of 4 years. The time series, like in the example from Mr. Boom, this is the example in the 4 years where observations are seen as blue dots and anomalies are seen as orange dots. The observations go from 2016 to 2019, and as long as they are inside of the threshold in the gray area, they are observations. The anomalies occur with atmospheric influences, and when the anomalies go over the threshold and repeatedly go over the threshold, this could indicate change. This is the result from remote sensing part. In the left corner you see the result from bitemporal change detection, and on the right part you see the result from time series change detection. These polygons, as you saw in the result, were also some of the polygons that detected deforestation, were then also validated with crowdsourcing part. So the participants went to the polygons and they did a documentation, as you see in the two images. So the deforestation was detected with remote sensing, and actual deforestation was also detected by crowdsourcing. In conclusion, EpiCollect 5 app demonstrated its potential for the support of remote sensing. However, limitations were detected. For example, also that the interactive map was missing. Both time series based change detection with 80% overall accuracy and bitemporal change detection with 70% overall accuracy are suitable for the deforestation detection. For more detailed and more frequent results, like in the case of my master thesis every 10 days, time series based change detection should be preferred. Remote sensing can be used for the detection of large-scale changes, while crowdsourcing can provide valuable ground-level observations for validation and to refine detections. The integration of crowdsourcing and remote sensing methods could therefore align with the support of the EUDR's goals. The practical application and testing of the integrated methodology remains opportunity for future research. Thank you.